Okay, so I've just updated the VDA agent on my master image for my MCS catalog, and now I will do an MCS update through the Web Studio. So change master image. Yes, this is our, select the image. Okay, and we have the MCS master. We should have a new snapshot. Okay. We can go with functional level on next shutdown, correct? Always on next shutdown. Finish. Okay, we will wait. So while I was waiting for the catalog update, I did see something new for me. So as you can see, it shows you the MCS progress, machine catalog update progress, and it also tells you that you can cancel this if you want from tasks. So this is new to me. I didn't know you can do this, but you can obviously cancel the update. I won't do that. So in the logging and tasks, interesting. Select it and then you can cancel it. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so the update finished and I just need to power on my VM because it was powered off. So HV machines, just need to start it. One thing that you can look at is when you apply a new image in vCenter, you will always have this this event that the Citrix or your account that is used to communicate with the hypervisor is that it will reconfigure the virtual machine. So when it's reconfiguring, it's basically switching to the new disk. Initializing. I just want to see that it has the new Okay, it already recognized the new VDA version because I installed it from 2203 to 2402. Registered. Okay, perfect. This was it. Thank you for watching.